SDV Working Group is a really great community, and SDV, Software Defined Vehicle, is a really complex problem to solve in the industry, the future problem that is really upcoming right now. So as Bosch, even we face these challenges coming from our OEMs, and we find that SDV community is really providing us very good solutions to these problems or the questions that are coming and the challenges that we're facing. So we really look forward to contribute to this community actively, okay, and then also reap the benefits from it as a as a OEM or as a tier 1 organization. Yeah. As Bosch, we are contributing to several automotive open source projects. But since I'm working for the Robert Bosch Center of Competence for Software Verification and Validation, I can speak for it. Okay, and in this software verification and validation, we are contributing actively for virtualization topics or the open source projects for virtualization. For example, VDA, FMI standardization, ASAM standardization, and so on. Okay, and now we are actually contributing to the Eclipse Mobility Ecosystem project. Okay, this will be our open source contribution for the entire mobility ecosystem context. And then we are hoping for contributions from different stakeholders of this Eclipse community to contribute for this specific project in order to make it very successful and then usable for solving the software defined vehicle problem space, mainly with respect to multi-agent teams and how do we solve the complex issues of application developments and so on. MoEc, which stands for Mobility Ecosystem, which is the Eclipse Mobility Ecosystem project, okay, mainly contributes to the entire ecosystem or the infrastructure implementations. So we target to provide an SDK, software development kit, to the developers, which is easily accessible and also implementable for different use cases of the ecosystem projects. So we are looking for different contributions coming from at different layers. For example, at the application layer, at the data layer, and as well as the operating system layer. So through this, we think that it will definitely take the software-defined vehicle concepts to the greater advantage in the future. Code first approach of Eclipse community is really great approach. So this actually ensures that we are not just talking about the concept level, debating at the concept level, but using code as a base for a discussion really makes sense to take the concept forward to actually have meaningful solutions for the software defined vehicles. So we encourage really code first approach, and we are really in the forefront. We want to be in the forefront to actually contribute to the code first approach of Eclipse.